Good morning, student. How are you today? Fine. Okay. I am also fine. Today we will learn about subject English Standard 8 Unit 2. You love English, don't you? Activity 8. The bubble is beautiful, isn't it? It is a story about bubble tree and one Devi. It is an interesting story. Let's read it with a fun. Okay. I am reading it. You have to listen carefully. Page number 18. The bubble is beautiful, isn't it? Have you seen the bubble tree? Look at here. Here is the branch of bubble tree. It is a bubble tree. Okay. There was a bubble tree in the forest. It is a story about forest. There was a bubble tree in the forest. It had a straight branch. It has a straight branch. It had a long white thorns at the base of each leaf tail. It has a long, you can see here, it has a long and white thorns at the base of each leaf tail. One day, it looked at the leaves of other tree. One day, it looked at the other tree's leaves. The leaves had different shapes. Other trees' leaves are different shapes. Round. This is the round shape, and narrow shape, and broad shape. We can see here round, narrow and broad shape. Other leaves have round, narrow and broad shapes. Broad shape. The bubble tree looked sadly. Bubble tree is sad. Why? Its leaves had thorns, because bubble tree think I have a thorns in my leaves. So it is very sad. And my leaves are very small and unattractive. It thinks that my leaves are very small. You can see. These are the small leaves and unattractive. So it is very sad. They are not like the cute leaves of other trees. Bubble tree thinks its leaves are not attractive like other trees' leaves. So it is very sad. And I hate my thorns too. What bubble tree think? It thinks I hate my thorns too. One day we heard a bubble tree. It's a sad word. At that time, a one Devi, a goddess of forest. You can see here it's a picture. It is a one Devi. It is a goddess of forest. It heard the bubble tree said word. She appeared before it and said, "Dear bubble, you look very upset." Upset means sad. Upset means sad. She asked the bubble tree, "Why are you sad? Why are you upset?" Bubble said, "Oh yes, I am." Bubble said, "Yes, I am sad." One day we asked her, "But why? Why are you sad? Why are you upset?" "Because I don't like my tiny leaves." What bubble tree says? Bubble tree says, "I don't like my tiny." Tiny means small. Tiny means small. I don't like my tiny leaves. I don't like my small leaves. I should have golden leaves and no thorns at all. He thinks if I should have golden leaves and no thorns, I look very beautiful and attractive. I think you have excellent leaves and thorns to protect yourself, said one Devi. What one Devi answered? One Devi said, "I think you have excellent leaves and thorns because it protects you. But I should be good looking too." But Bubble was upset because it thinks I should good looking too. I should have good looking too. "Please remove my thorns." What it said? It said, "Please remove my thorns and bless me with golden leaves." Requested the Bubble. Bubble requested one Devi to remove its thorns and bless it to golden leaves. one Devi touched its trunk. At that time, one Devi touched its trunk with her magic stick and disappeared with its magic stick. You look at this type of stick. It touched with her magic stick and disappeared. The next morning, okay, so the next morning, leaves of the bubble tree changed into shining golden leaves. Next day, the leaves of the bubble tree, tiny leaves, changed into golden leaves. It had no thorns at all, and there is no thorns at all. The bubble tree looked beautiful and very happy, and it died because of the blessings of one Devi. It looked a very beautiful golden tree and happy, but its happiness did not last long. Last long means long time. Its happiness did not last long. Some people passing through the forest at that time. Some people are passing through the forest to pass. Looked at the wonderful. They also looked at that time the bubble tree golden leaves. It's a wonderful tree. They saw the golden leaves and started plucking them. People started to pluck them. Why? Because it's a golden leaves. The bubble tree begged, please don't take my golden leaves. I love them. When the people are plucked the golden leaves, bubble tree requests to not take the golden leaves of its. It loves it. A man said, I will sell them. But at that time, the man answered him, I will sell the leaves and buy things for my family. I will sell the golden leaves and buy many other things for my family. Then they run away happily with all the golden leaves. The people ran away happily with the all plucking the all the golden trees. The bubble tree looked ugly without leaves. Now at this time, bubble tree looked very ugly without any leaves. Without any leaves, it looked very ugly. Look at it. It now without any leaves, it looked very ugly. The bubble tree started weeping. Now at the return, it started weeping. To weep means cry. Weep is the other meaning of cry. To cry, to weep. It started weeping. After the days, one Devi appeared again and said, Dear Bubble, why do you look so upset? Again, after 3 days, one Devi appeared and asked it, Why are you looking so upset? Where are your golden leaves? And also asked, I have blessed you of golden leaves. Where are your golden leaves? I blessed you with golden leaves, didn't I? What she said? I blessed you with golden leaves. Now, where are your golden leaves? What asked her? One Devi asked it to bubble trees. Okay, we will learn part 2 in next period. Okay. Now, if you like my video, please share and subscribe it. Okay, like, share and subscribe it. Okay. Bye.